Hi, first graders. I have an activity that's a little different for you today. Our standard today says I can organize, represent, and discuss data. So that means when you get a set of data or information, you can organize it in a way that makes sense to people. And you can represent that in a way that makes it easy for us to see maybe which one has more, which one has less. We can compare different data points, and then we can discuss it by asking and answering questions about it. So I want you to take a look at this picture over here today, and I want you to think of 3 categories to sort these vegetables. They can be any category you come up with. Then I want you to create a data display on a piece of paper, and then I want you to write 2 questions for someone to answer about the data display. And if you want, you can email or text your teacher to show them what you have come up with. So really quickly before I exit out today, I want to show you some different examples of data displays we've worked on in first grade. Mostly we do these at number corners, so they might look familiar to you. We often do tally charts. That's one way you can represent data. So there's examples of tally charts. There are bar graphs to represent data. So here's 2 examples of a bar graph. And then there's picture graphs. So instead of drawing a colored bar across, you just draw a picture for each item in your data display. And then finally, there are pie charts. We don't use this very often, but if you want to try that out today, you could try a pie chart. If you want, you could even take it a step further and do more than one data display based on the categories that you come up with. So again, you can pause the video so you can take a close look at this picture. Think of your 3 categories in order to sort these vegetables, create a data display, and then write 2 questions for someone to answer about the data display. And don't forget to show your teacher your work today. Thank you, and we wish you well.